Good evening, my dear student. This is Suraj, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel, Suraj Anand Teaching. Let us watch today that we are going to discuss the chapter number 4, the carbon and its compound. So, my dear student, this is the chapter number 4, carbon and its compound. Let us discuss this chapter. Today, we are going to discuss the topic, will you be my friend? That is, the carbon is saying to another element that will you be my friend? Will you be my friend? It means the homologous series. Carbon is going to ask the other element that will you be my friend? That is called the homologous series. Carbon forms bonds not only with hydrogen but also with other elements as well, such as oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur and halogen. So my dear student, in carbon is not going to form bonds with the carbon but other element as well as such as oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur and halogen. So it is clear that hydrocarbon chain, one or more hydrogen can be replaced. They are going to be replaced by other these elements in such a way that the tetravalency of carbon is continue remain satisfied. So my dear student, these elements can satisfy the tetravalency of carbon also. So these heteroatoms are also present in some group, and these groups confirm characteristic properties to the compound regardless to the length and nature of the carbon. So these groups also satisfy the tetravalency of carbon. These heteroatoms like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur and halogen are going to be the confer groups the characteristics properties of the carbon compound of the length and nature of the carbon chain. Therefore, they are called characteristics group or functional groups. So, some important functional group are given on the table below. The valency or valencies of carbon or valencies of the group is or are shown by the table. So, this is the heteroatom, name of functional group, formula of the group and the general purpose. Like that is one first halogen, chlorine, bromine. That is called halo, that is chloro or bromine group. And the formula is Cl Br, the attached ring of the carbon chain. That is called the halide groups. Second one is oxygen. That is the alcoholic group in alcohol in oxygen. That is alcoholic group, aldehyde group, ketonic group, and carboxyl group. So first alcoholic group, that is the OH, that is the alcohols. Second is aldehyde group, that is the C double bond OH chain is there. Aldehydes, the name of compound. Ketonic group, the C double O bond O, that is the that is C double bond O, that is the ketones. And after that, that is the carboxyl group, that is the carboxyl group or carboxyl, that is the C double bond O and OH, that is the carboxylic group. And after that carboxylic group, that is the nitrogen, and it is called amino group, that is the NH bond, that is the amine. So my dear student, from this topic it is clear that carbon wants to be friend with other elements. Like carbon is not going to form with the hydrogen but also with the other element oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur and halogen. And the basis of this hydrocarbon chain, hydrogen, one or more hydrogen going to be replaced by other element in such a way that the tetravalency of carbon is going to be satisfied. And these heteroatoms are also present in some group that confirm the characteristic properties of the compounds regardless to the length and the structure of these carbon chains are called characteristics or homologous group. These are the table. These are the table of homologous groups. So my dear students, thank you for watching my video. This is Suraj, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel, Chemistry Wala Anand sir. Thank you for watching my video. Give more views, likes and share to those students who are aspirant of CBSE 2026. Thank you for watching my video. Good night, all of you.